Welcome to DripTock. You will go through 4 screens that will appear in sequence after opening the app on your device. To move to the next screen, click the pink Next arrow. On the following 3 screens, simply click Continue to proceed. Next, you will see a login screen where you can choose to sign in if you already have an account, or you can sign in using your Apple or Google account. If you prefer to create a new account, click Sign Up at the bottom of the screen. This will take you to the next screen, where you can set up your account using your email address and a password of your choice. After clicking the pink Sign Up button, you will be directed to a 3rd screen. On this screen, you'll provide some information about yourself, read the terms and conditions, check the box to agree to them, and then click the Create Profile button. Homepage on app with feeds of post. Icon functions, right side arrows. Share allows users to share a post through text, email, or within the DripTock app. Favorite saves posts to the user's favorites collection for easy access later. Comment lets users add their thoughts, feedback, or compliments on another user's post. Like shows appreciation for a post by liking it, helping creators track engagement. Block user enables users to block unwanted interactions or content from specific accounts. Report allows users to report inappropriate or abusive content that violates company policies. Bottom navigation bar. Home takes users to the main feed, current page. Explore browse recommended styles and search for users. Activity show your own account activity on the What Done Each date. Profile manage personal page and wardrobe. Recommend style. Here, you can view styles uploaded by other users in the community. Every user will have the ability to upload their own style in 2 ways, by clicking the Upload Photo button or by clicking the pink plus icon under the Upload Photo button. Only photos will be displayed under the Recommend Style section. Videos will not appear there. Any videos you post will be visible on the community's homepage. All new content, including both videos and photos, will be shown when you post a new drip. Note: any inappropriate photos or videos that violate DripTock's guidelines will be flagged. Accumulating 3 flags will result in removal from the platforms. The user's page is accessed directly from the Explore section through the search bar located on the same page as Recommended Styles page. This feature allows users to find, connect, and follow other members within the DripTock community. Page features Search User. The search bar at the top enables users to look up other profiles by name or username. User cards. Each card displays a user's name, username, and number of followers, along with their profile image or placeholder icon. Follow button. The pink Follow button allows users to follow other profiles instantly. Once selected, it changes to Following, confirming the connection. Purpose. This page strengthens DripTock's community by encouraging user interaction, profile discovery, and follower growth. It serves as a core networking hub similar to social media platforms like Instagram or TikTok. When you're ready to post a drip, you should see an option like the one in the photo to the left, where you can choose to select either a photo, video, and DTAI. If you select photo, you can either take a photo using your camera, whether it's a selfie or a regular photo. Alternatively, you can choose a photo from your phone's photo library. If you select video, the process is the same, but please note that only 30-second videos can be recorded and posted to help maintain the app's performance. A built-in DripTock AI chat assistant that gives personalized fashion recommendations. Features: ask for outfit suggestions, color combinations, or stores. AI asks clarifying questions about style, occasion, and budget. Provides tailored results for fashion discovery. When you select a photo or video to upload, or after you take the photo or video, this is what you will see. Number 1. The photo or video you can cancel or continue. Number 2. If you click cancel, you get out from the post screen. Number 3. You can click Continue to see the next screen that show on your right. Number 4. You have 3 options. Number 1, you can just post the drip. Number 2, you can record audio before you post the drip. Number 3, import music with your drip post. How to add audio to your drip post. You can add audio by pressing and holding the pink microphone button while recording, allowing you to add a voiceover or any other type of audio you'd like to use. Once you're done, you'll be taken to a page where you can review the audio. You can play the audio to listen to it and stop it if needed. If you want to leave it out, you can cancel, or you can confirm to use the audio you've recorded. Note: your recording will be limited to a maximum of 20 seconds to help maintain the app's performance. How to add music to your drip post. As shown in the screenshot to the right, a pop-up will appear requesting access to your music library, or you can use music files already stored on your device. To use music from streaming platforms like Apple or Spotify, you must have a subscription. Additionally, you need to have the rights and permission to use any audio files that are copyrighted. Once you post your drip, you can choose from the following options. Number 1, share your drip as text outside of DripTock. Number 2, save your drip as a favorite. Number 3, leave a comment on your own drip. Number 4, like your own drip. Number 5, delete your own drip. Number 6, post caption on your drip. Adjusting photos after snapping or uploading. Photo editing instructions. Number 1, after snapping a photo or uploading one from your device to post, you'll be taken to a new page where you can make adjustments to your photo. Number 2, by clicking on the square 1:1 option, you'll see additional aspect ratio options for your image. Number 3, when you click the Edit Image button, as shown on the left in the photo, you'll be taken to another page where you can further edit your image, including rotating, cropping, and resizing. Number 4, once you're done making adjustments, click Continue to move on to the next step for your photo. Note: these editing options are available for photos only and are not supported when posting videos. Adding a caption to your post. After preparing your photo, you'll have the option to add a caption to your post. You can write up to 500 characters for your caption, describing whatever you'd like to display with your photo. Once you've written your caption, click the pink Upload button to publish your post. Your caption will appear along with your photo in the feed. If you prefer, you can also upload your post without a caption. My drips. All the drips you upload from your device, such as photos and videos, will be stored under your drips. These will be randomly displayed on the DripTock homepage for the community to see. Videos can be played, and photos can be viewed by the community members of DripTock. Wardrobe closet. Your own online closet. An interactive section that helps users organize and plan outfits. Features: view scheduled looks. Add, edit, or delete planned outfits. Syncs with users' My Drips content. Activities. This page displays all the activities on your account. It includes when you post a drip, comment on or like someone else's drip, delete drips, or sign in and out. You'll be able to see a full record of all actions taken within your DripTock account. Profile settings. Here, you can update your account information, including your password, profile bio, and username. You can also provide feedback on the app. Invite friends outside of DripTock. Help and support by submitting a service ticket for assistance with any issues. Delete account. If you no longer wish to use the platform, you can delete your account. Log out. To sign out of the app, simply log out. Bugs currently being worked on for fixing. Number 1. It is recommended that your phone is no older than 3 years, as the app may not support devices older than that. Number 2. You must have the latest version of Android or iOS installed on your device. Number 3. If you encounter any other issues, please feel free to submit your feedback through your profile settings. Safety for DripTock community members. What makes DripTock different from other social media platforms? Number 1. We are a social media app focused solely on fashion. Number 2. This app prioritizes privacy and is designed for sharing your fashion style, not personal life details. Number 3. There is no direct messaging feature, unlike other social media platforms where users can message you. Number 4. DripTock helps you discover trending fashion styles using AI technology. Number 5. DripTock operates on a zero-tolerance policy. Any user who violates the platform's terms will be banned from using the app. Thank you for exploring DripTock.